All right, guys. Today's combo, we went over different variations of the Madrid step. You agree with that?
Yes.
And then a lot of cuddles and hand toss. Yes. So, you want to try the first one?
Sure.
Let's try the first one. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, I need to fix my hands. 5, 6, 7. I said the Madrid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up with the right hand. So I'm turning with the right hand, follow through with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a hand toss. Hand toss. 5. I switch. I ask. And I tap. Then I went over to do an outside turn. 1, 2. Notice I'm lowering the hand. I don't keep it up here. I lower the hand. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? So I'll do it from this side. It's a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 7, 8. Madrid steps is not done with your arms, it's done with your frame. So if you think like this is the way you do Madrid, it's wrong. I do it with my torso, so I make sure that I give this much opening. This is a lot. Right here, all I need is my palms. And then with my frame rotation, I'm guiding her. Don't think I'm doing this. Yes? For the second one, you remember it? Why not? Because you follow.
Just follow.
So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. That's how it feels, the timing, bass timing. 5 and 7, 8. Then we do 1, 2, 3, and 4. A lot of hand toss this time, yes? Here I do the prep. 5, 6, 7, 8. This stop happens with this arm behind the follow's upper back. Yes? This is not a stop. Keep rotating. If she's able to rotate more, you didn't stop her enough. Right here. So then from here, I can indicate to do a prep back with my frame. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Follows, make sure you tap with the left, leads right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the whole thing. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. See?